Sayyara may not have been Aneet Padda's first film, but it sure shot her to fame in Bollywood. After the movie's massive success, Aneet's career has been on the rise. But it wasn't always this way. There was a time when Aneet struggled to find the right opportunities. Aneet recently opened up about the early days of her career, and let's just say, it wasn't a smooth ride at first. She even landed on scam websites while searching for acting auditions online. Aneet Padd said, "I sent about 50 to 70 cold emails to production houses during the lockdown, hoping for any opportunity. Almost every production house had these terrible audition tapes and Snapchat filtered pictures." But like many struggling actors, Aneet soon realized the importance of networking with casting agencies who negotiate work opportunities for actors. It wasn't all about sending emails, it was about finding the right connections. Before Sayyara, Aneet had her own idols and inspirations. One of her biggest was Alia Bhatt. Aneet Padd added, "When I was younger, I would stand in front of the bathroom mirror and practice Alia's monologues, thinking, how would I do it? And then, how can I make it my own? And guess what? Alia Bhatt noticed Aneet's talent. After Sayyara's success, Alia personally called Aneet and gushed about her performance in the film. Aneet Padd further said, "She called me and gushed about the film for almost 10 minutes. That meant the world to me." Together with co-star Ahan Pandey, Aneet brought Sayyara to life. The movie wasn't just a box office hit, it resonated with audiences thanks to the dedication of the entire team. This film hasn't just done well in terms of business. It takes a village to make a film. Everybody on set worked hard. Maybe it was just that the audience could feel the heart of the film, Aneet Padd said. Looking ahead, Aneet is all set for more exciting projects. Though there were rumors about her replacing Kiara Advani in Shakti Shalini, the makers have since denied the speculation. No matter what's next, Aneet's journey shows us the power of persistence, passion, and staying true to your craft. Stay tuned for more updates on Aneet's incredible journey. Love is in the air for one of South cinema's most adored couples, Vijay Deverakonda and Rashmika Mandanna. Recently, reports confirmed that the two stars are officially engaged, and now, Vijay has made his first public appearance since the engagement, and fans can't stop talking about it. Vijay visited Sri Satya Sai Baba's Mahasamadhi along with his family, and pictures from the visit quickly went viral. But what got everyone's attention wasn't just the serene visit, it was a shiny new ring on his finger. Eagle-eyed fans noticed Vijay wearing a beautiful band on his ring finger, sparking fresh excitement online. Many believe it's none other than his engagement ring. Dressed in a casual yet elegant traditional outfit, Vijay received a warm welcome with a bouquet of flowers. And as he posed for pictures, the ring on his hand quietly said it all. Though both Vijay and Rashmika have stayed silent about their engagement, Vijay's team has confirmed, yes, the couple are engaged and will tie the knot in February 2026. Their love story has been years in the making. Rashmika and Vijay first shared the screen in the blockbuster Geetha Govindam in 2018, followed by Dear Comrade in 2019. Their sizzling on-screen chemistry soon became the talk of the town, and rumors of a real-life romance started spreading fast. But before Vijay, Rashmika was engaged to actor Rakshit Shetty in 2017. Their engagement was celebrated publicly, but the wedding was later called off due to differences over her career choices. Rashmika remained focused on films, and both eventually moved on. Since then, Rashmika and Vijay's bond has only grown stronger, with secret holidays, cozy appearances, and countless fan theories keeping the internet buzzing. And who can forget Rashmika's cheeky moment during Pushpa 2 promotions when she said everyone knows about it after being asked if she'd marry someone from the industry? On the work front, Rashmika is ready to charm audiences again with Thama, releasing 21st October 2025 and Cocktail 2 alongside Kriti Senon. Looks like it's a double celebration ahead, on-screen success and a February wedding. Recently, fans witnessed a heartwarming reunion between Bollywood's beloved ex-couple, Ranbir Kapoor and Deepika Padukone, at the airport. And let's just say, it quickly went viral for all the right reasons. In a video shared by a fan, the two can be seen leaving the airport together, but there's a funny twist. While Deepika walks ahead, Ranbir, totally focused on following her, almost forgets where he's going. As his driver opens the car door, Ranbir's so distracted by Deepika that he walks right past his own car. He only realizes it when Deepika reaches her own car. It's the cutest thing. The video instantly took over social media, with fans loving the light-hearted moment. One fan wrote, "Hahaha, he's just a baby yai," while another said, "Bro forgot where he's going to." And the cuteness didn't stop there. In another video, Ranbir waves at Deepika as she rides an airport car toward her gate. Deepika notices and waits for him to catch up. The two share a warm side hug before chatting as the car drives off. It's clear that despite their past, there's still a lot of warmth between them. Later, as they were about to head to their respective cars, the duo shared a friendly goodbye hug. Their reunion has definitely given fans something to smile about. On the work front, Deepika's all set to star in at least R22X6 opposite Allu Arjun and in Shah Rukh Khan's King alongside Suhana Khan and Jaideep Ahlawat. Ranbir, on the other hand, is gearing up for Ramayan by Nitesh Tiwari, which features an ensemble cast including Sai Pallavi, Yash, and Ravi Dubey. And don't miss his upcoming films like Love and War and Animal Park. We are loving these glimpses of their friendship. What do you think of Ranbir and Deepika's sweet reunion? Let us know in the comments below.
बढ़िया भाई आरके भाई भाई रुको ना भाई 2 सेकंड भाई हम एकदम साइड में आरके रुक जाओ भाई यहां पर भाई यहां पे आरके यहां पे आरके सुनील
Elvish Yadav recently made a special appearance on Bigg Boss 19's Weekend Ka Vaar episode, and it was filled with laughter, drama, and a bit of a cheeky moment with the host, Salman Khan. Let's dive into what went down. Salman Khan welcomed Elvish to the stage with his trademark energy, teasing him with a playful jab. He introduced Elvish with his viral catchphrase, "System hang," and then said, "Please welcome Elvish Yadav. Ekdam system hang kar dena." Elvish, always quick with a witty reply, responded to Salman's playful banter by sharing his plan for the night. He said, "घरवालों के अंदर जो विष है उसका इलाज करने आया हूँ." Basically, he was there to heal the poison inside the housemates. But Salman, never one to hold back, took a dig at Elvish's infamous Noida snake venom case, saying, "Vish se to aapka purana nata hai." Elvish couldn't help but laugh, admitting, "Kafi," which translates to quite a lot. Elvish wasn't just there for fun, though. He also introduced a new twist for the housemates, the poison and antidote task, bringing in more drama and excitement. Now, let's talk about why Elvish has been making headlines lately. The YouTuber was arrested in March 2024 in connection to the Noida snake venom case. The charges were serious, involving the Wildlife Protection Act and criminal conspiracy. Elvish's lawyer argued that he was falsely accused, and after a week in jail, Elvish was granted bail. His lawyer, Prashant Rathi, said, "Our arguments in this case was that he was falsely accused and no substance was obtained from him or his friends that violated the NDPS Act." In a recent YouTube vlog, Elvish opened up about his time in jail. He said, "Bhagwan na kare koi jail jaye, bas itna hi kehna chahenge." Meaning, God forbid anyone goes to jail, that's all I would like to say. Elvish reflected on the tough time he spent behind bars, calling it very bad phase of life. But he's thankful to those who supported him, saying, "What to talk about the time I was inside. Let's start a new chapter on a positive note. Thanks to all. I'm back to my work." It looks like Elvish is ready to move past the tough times and focus on his work. But what did you think of his time on Bigg Boss 19? Let us know in the comments below.